Weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Excessive heat watch.
Well, that's SGX's weekly.
In California, San Diego County deserts. Excessive heat watch.
As usual, KIG-78 activates, but not WNG-712. I put the alert works up here and that didn't activate, and of course the Sanjian CL100 didn't activate. How did 991 not activate? First alert didn't activate, these four didn't activate, but the weather tracker did, and neither did the 12-519. Oh well, and the WL120. Well, that's SGX for you. Bye now.